Hello guys, welcome. So magre-review po tayo nga ng wireless headphones that is good for online class and gaming. So, let's go. So ito na guys. So sa loob mismo ng box is yung headphones. But first, let's talk about the price. So ang presyo niya is 859 pesos. So bilisan nyo, baka maubusan kayo sa Lazada. So nagbigay ako ng link below sa description. So guys, ito na yung box. So buksan na natin. Plastic. So ang kanyang band is metal. So durable. Stretch nga natin. Impressive. So may cushion siya sa taas. At saka ang lambot ng earpads niya. So let's talk about its features. So meron siyang micro SD card slot, micro USB charging port, at may dalawang microphone and isang 3.5mm jack. At sumunod naman yung volume rockers niya at isang play and pause button. Tapos yung power button niya para sa Bluetooth connection. So guys, tama yung narinig nyo. Pwede siya Bluetooth and pwede din siya wired. At saka may micro USB slot din siya. And yes, isa itong multi-purpose headphones. Pwede nyo siya gamitin wired at pwede din wireless. And guys, kung nalobat yung phone nyo, pwede kayo maglagay ng SD card dyan sa micro SD card slot. And kapag nalobat naman yung headphones nyo, pwede kayo gumamit ng 3.5mm jack. So guys, what about the build quality? So minention ko na earlier, may metal band siya. So hindi siya basta-basta mababalik kapag sinistretch mo like that. Walang cracks na naririnig ko. Walang plastic cracks. So, over-ear headphone siya. So, kaya niyang matakpan ang tenga niyo ng buong buo. And plus, comfortable siyang gamitin. At ang isang features niya is foldable siya and portable. So guys, what do you think about these headphones? Worth it ba? Maganda ba? Please let me know in the comment section below. So if you ever like this video, please consider like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.